Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. How are you my dear friend and my all lovely subscribers? Today we are diving into the world of short haircuts, specially designed for women over 50 and beyond. Whether you have thin or fine hair, we have got you covered with over 50 stunning styles that will enhance your beauty and boost your confidence. These edgy styles will not only boost your confidence but also keep you looking chic and stylish. Transform your look and feel happy with these fabulous short haircuts and hair color ideas. Remember, age is just a number and you deserve to look and feel your best at any age. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below with your favorite hairstyle and haircuts. Subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and inspiration. Share your new look with us on Instagram and Facebook page. Here are some styling tips to keep your short hair looking its best. Blow dry upside down. This technique can help lift the roots and add volume. Avoid heavy products. Steer clear of heavy creams and oils that can weigh your hair down. Regular trim. Keep your hair looking fresh with regular trim every 4 to 6 weeks. So my dear friends, if you love my video, please press the like button, and after watching the video you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos. Please share my video with your friend and your family because everyone needs styling. Sharing your video will help them too and you will help me. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.